Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Solana itself. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Before I get into it, guys, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. And I'm sure, if you are part of the Solana community or if you are a crypto holder in general, you guys know what's happening with the overall market. We're definitely feeling a lot of bullish momentum coming in, especially after the FOMC meeting. The rate cuts have really brought in a lot of excitement within the crypto space. Yes, Solana is not seeing those explosive moves over the course of the last, 1 week. If you're looking at it, it is up about 10%. I'm sorry, it is up about 4.2% on the weekly time frame, but you're not seeing those double-digit gains. So you're seeing a little bit of a lag, but there's a lot to pay attention to, from bigger picture. A lot of people don't tend to focus on what's really happening for Sol. In terms of its DeFi sector, you guys can see it's climbing up 5.5 billion. We're starting to make our ways back up to, another yearly high for the total value locked. Meme coins are absolutely exploding on Solana. The on-chain data speaks for itself. Migrations are still happening from other chains to Solana. And, Van Eck representative literally spoke, I think, about 2 to 3 days to the press, stating that, they predict, Solana could actually get to Ethereum's market cap, 50% of Ethereum's market cap. And that is a huge statement to make. And again, if you want to put that into perspective, as far as the price is concerned, that kind of puts the price at around $330 for Solana, considering current market valuations. Of course, top, we don't know where the top is going to be, but I do believe, we do have a few months left for that to happen, going into the most important quarter of the year, 2024, of course, Q4, but we'll see what happens. Do let me know in the comments what you personally think. But looking at the price of Solana right now, $157.69, up 3.8% in USD and Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is at $74 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about 4.27 billion. Looking at some of the news, you guys can see Solana meme coin Moondang surpassed $200 million market cap, up 83% in the last 24 hours. And this coin right here has kickstarted a lot of interest for the overall meme coin market in general as well. Over the course of the last 2 to 3 days, this thing has created some instant millionaires, literally in a matter of a few days. And this is, again, a continuation of why meme coins are so attractive. When people hear about these types of news that's going around, that coins have gone up this much, of course it brings in a lot of attention. And meme coins specifically have outpaced pretty much the overall market over the course of the last 24 hours. A lot of coins up double digits. And I think, Moondang has really brought in a lot of interest to the meme coin market. And every part of this phase, you do tend to see a few meme coins that become, blue chip for the short term. We have seen several of those over the course of the last few months, come and go. And, Moondang is one of them right now that is gaining so much traction. A shout out to the people that did catch this, but, this is bringing in a lot of attention to Solana, believe it or not. Very interesting stuff. Moving forward, you guys can see Binance founder CZ will be released today, September the 27th, 2 days ahead of his scheduled release. And you guys can see this for yourself. Solana surpassed all blockchains in daily net inflows. Literally, as I stated earlier, we are seeing a massive amounts of inflows coming in as, the overall market momentum is turning bullish. So is, SPL, people kind of getting optimistic on the SPL tokens as well. And, that is starting to show if you are obviously paying attention to that. Looking at the dominance index, it is pretty much pulling down 57.5%, which is, of course, really nice to see for altcoins specifically. Bitcoin looking absolutely amazing, sitting at $65,464, exactly what we spoke about. And, this is obviously something I was highly anticipating, of course, getting past $64,000, which, of course, happened. And right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $65,464 going into Friday morning. What else do you need? This is absolutely amazing stuff. And I think October is going to be an amazing month for crypto leading up to the elections. But Speaking about Solana, let's take a look at its price action. So if you're looking at the price of Solana right now, back in the 0.50, so we've pretty much been in the 0.50 fib zone, but we're back above this key resistance. And last time we were back above that key resistance was almost a month ago. So, of course, that's really nice to see, but pretty much, we are going to our main target, which is this key resistance at the 38.2 at $162.43. I've spoke about this before, literally 2 different times. We have seen a rejection at this exact same key resistance, but so far, the target remains to be that key resistance. And if it's able to get back into this range, I do believe we could finally, crack past this key resistance at $166 and start heading towards our July levels. And a lot of coins right now, if you have been paying attention to my videos, you're starting to see a lot of coins starting to retest July levels. And I think Solana could be one of the ones that is next up. And again, obviously significant amount of resistance, where we currently are, so shouldn't really be a surprise. And if this is able to clear out, I do believe we could be in for a nice move for Sol to start retesting 166, which we haven't seen since the beginning of August. And of course, that would be something. So obviously, at the same time, we need to remember there is some resistance coming in its way. As you can see, if this resistance is able to break out, would not be surprised if Sol is back into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. But let me know down below what you guys think. What excites you the most about Solana? What are your predictions for Solana specifically? Well, we'd love to know that. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.